Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I'm Mom and this is
Paige.
And we are unboxing KitNipBox.
KitNipBox.
We have KitNipBox with us. Can you guys guess what type of box KitNip is? It's for kitties. Show them your kitty shirt. As Paigey opens this box, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. But KitNipBox, go ahead and open it, Paigey, has a per month subscription at $19.99 for a single cat or $29.99 for multiple cats. We have on top a thank you card. This is a college themed box. And I'm not going to read the back because the back is sharing what's inside, but here's the overview of the college theme KitNipBox. Okay, let's show them like this. Did you show them this side? Look how cute it is. Look at the little kitty. Okay, pop it open. Go fast. There we go. What's the first item you see?
This is the first item. See, it's a cat pillow.
A cat pillow. Let me see. It's a cat caramel corn toy. What is it? I guess it's a cat toy. They can throw it around. It looks like about, what is the candy or the, I forgot what it's called. Huh? Oh yeah. It looks like a thing of Cracker Jacks. Isn't that super cute? It's super soft too.
The next thing is cat treats.
It is cat treats. Wellness Kittles. Tasty, crunchy cat treats. 100% all natural and grain free. This is the turkey and cranberry recipe. It's really cute. What you got?
The second item got, it's like a little thing.
I think it's a cat toy also. Social media for cats. Can y'all hear it? And this is another cat toy. So the kitties have 2 cat toys thus far. That's exciting. What else?
The second cat toy
Those are cute.
is our little balls.
Yeah, these are super cute. They're by Playful Pets. They're called Atomic Rubber Bouncing Balls. And I don't know if you can see, but they're got like bubbles all on them, so they're gonna bounce in different directions as the cats hit. I'll see if I can get one of my cats to play with them. But these are super cute.
The second item I have is a little bag.
Let's see. It's laundry day, packed with premium catnip for all day cat play. So this is a catnip cat toy, and it looks like a little laundry bag, and it is super, super cute. What is that one? That one's cute too.
The second one, it looks like it's just like 2 things in there.
It's a textbook toy. How cute are these? Let's see. Catnip and crinkle made kitty hard, study hard. So like a cat book. And it crinkles and it has catnip inside. God, there's a ton of stuff in this box. And this one is Playful Pets Kitty Tug and Treat. Pom Pom Ball contains catnip, and it looks like you hang it on a doorknob, and inside they hit it, and I think if they pull it down, it'll release a cat treat that the cats can then eat. Do you think Hero will like that?
Yeah, it looks like they're like...
So this is, let's see if it tells me here. I've got my phone. Their website is super, super easy to use.
But first we need to put some cat treats in here.
Oh yeah? Just so you guys know, they do ship to Canada and Australia. So this is a US box that does ship to those locations. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items inside of our college theme KitNipBox. Do you think this is pretty cool?
Yes.
Do you think Hero's gonna love it?
How about we go get her?
How about we go get her? All right, we're gonna go get our Hero Kitty to take some pictures and share with you guys.
Bye.
Thanks for hanging with us, and we'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.